Today we're making tumbler bags.
This project is great for using up your scrap fabric. I will show you how to draft the base pattern and how to manipulate it so you can use one that fits the size or prints of your fabric. We need two measurements. I added 1 centimeter to the width and 2 centimeter to the length for some extra space. With the width measurement, we draft out a square that will be the bottom of the bag. These 4 pieces will be the sides of the bag. When you're cutting out the fabric, you have to add a 1 centimeter border as seam allowances. This 5-piece pattern will give you seams on all the edges. There's more ironing work, but if you are working with directional prints that you can't turn upside down, or you want to do some color blocking, this pattern will be great. We can alter the base pattern into 3 pieces. Merge these 3 pieces together. I use this pattern to cut up a pair of jeans where the directional prints are positioned on the smaller rectangles. We can also alter the base pattern into a 1-piece pattern. Just distribute the 2 side pieces evenly on the top and bottom. Fold it in half, and when you're ready to cut, place the bottom on the fold of the fabric. This is a great option for solid color bags. What I like to do is to cut a full rectangle and then finish up the bottom corners in the sewing process. I will show you that in the sewing section. If you're working with directional prints, place the fold on the sides. Then your prints will not be upside down. Now if you want to make a border on the bag's opening, you can just cut out a piece here and then use that to cut out from another fabric. For the pockets, I add them to the smaller rectangles to lessen the sewing steps. The proportions are about 3/4 the length of the bag. If you are lining the pocket, just cut them out with the same 1 centimeter seam allowance all around. If it's a pocket with a border on the opening, like a single piece, then you make it 4 centimeters longer before adding the seam allowances. I also make a removable back bottom to reinforce the base. So now we've got the pattern figured out. Let's move on to the sewing steps.